Joy Padua Hinshaw is an example of a success story due to hard work, positivity, dedication, and being a God-centered person.
Is poverty. Every morning or every night, moment by moment, or every time I go to sleep, I look at our four corners. And then when I'm going to sleep, I look at my family. That is the reason why I have a big dream. I never stop dreaming because of my family. And then it's very hard to do sa Pilipinas. Ang inadyan ko na kapitaduhon, wala na sa ginasugid-sugid sa mga social media. As in, ang lutak na maagyan ko going sa balay, tapos mabikbit ko shoes, ay isang chanelas, ibilin si gadalan, tapos may hilik pa ko na ginakuha lang kung para yung sapatos ko makasaka naman sa salakyan na gravity and Star Wars. Sabi hindi ko gusto nga magpabiling lang sa amon na sa balik.
Joy graduated her college education from West Negros College. She is a resident of Hinshaw, Negros Occidental. She is a daughter of a farmer and a housewife. Joy shares with us her beautiful and inspiring story.
I think sa US before, I think I was in zero knowledge.
Yes.
When I was new there, because my God, we are all English. And then it's hard to understand the accent and everything, from intonation and everything. So, and the meaning here in Asia and in Eastern is so far. So I help myself first. I learn everything, and then I non-stop applying.
Yes.
Non-stop applying. So that I can get a better job.
Okay. What is your job now?
I am a secretary in the College of Engineering in the biggest university in South Dakota.
Which is?
South Dakota State University. So I handle more than 10 departments and international students globally. Yeah. That was 2016. I didn't expect that he will marry me, and because I know him last August 2016, and then I told him I'm gonna go to Philippines on September. So he said I will go there and visit you at your family. And then after that, when he was there, 2017, after 3 months that we getting to know each other, he offered me to get married.
Wow!
And then we engaged here in the Philippines, and then after that, he filed a petition for me, and then we got married in US. I'm happy because I have the privilege to avail the benefits as Americans, and then the same time, I can travel without visa.
Yes.
I'm also proud as a Filipino because I got the American citizen.
Wow.
Sa mga pigado, I think 100% only inspiration, 99% determination. Determination to work hard, determination to achieve, determination that you have to believe in yourself and work hard to achieve it. Kay kung inspiration na nga, tani naman amo na ko na, isa useless. You have to work it hard.
Okay.
Hindi lang sila na sa words, but sa buhat. I always thankful to God because of what I have, and then He is always there for me and my family and to my family and friends. Thank you for everything. Without Him, I have nothing.